Hello students and welcome back to CBSE Tech Talks. In today's video we are going to cover 10.3 chapter Measurements and Temperature grade 5 mathematics. The very first question is multiply. We have to multiply 12 meters 23 centimeters by 14 and we have to express in meter form. So when we have to express in meter form we have to convert 70 centimeter which is 23 into meters only. So we know that there are 1 meter equals to what? 100 centimeters. So 23 centimeters equals to, you can say 1 upon 100 into 23 meters, or we can say 0.23 meters. So it will become, the question will become 12.23 and we have to multiply by what number? 14 number. So we will be multiplying by simple multiplication the way we go with 4 3s are 12. So 2 carry 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9, 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. Put here cross symbol. Then 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2 and 1 1s are 1. So 2, 9 plus 3 is 12, carry 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7 and 1. And there are two places after decimal. So it will become 171.22 meters. I hope it is clear. Second part is second is, again we have 4 liters 234 milliliters by 32 and we have to convert into liters. So we know that there are 1000 milliliters in 1 liter. So 234 milliliters equals to 1 upon 1000 into 234. When we will divide 234 by 1000, there are 3 zeros after 1, so there will be 3 digits after decimal point. So answer will be 0.234 liters. So here the 4.234 liter is to be multiplied by 32. So simple multiplication, the way we go with the multiplication, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. It is 4 and is 8. Multiplication symbol, 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10, so 0 carry 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 and 3 4s are 12. Add them, 8, 6 plus 2 is 8, 4 plus 0 is 4, 7 plus 8 is 15, carry 1, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1. So answer will be, there are 3 digits after decimal point, so decimal point will come here. So 135.488 liter is the answer. Let's move to the next question. Now we are dividing. In the next question we have division. So when we go with the division, we will be dividing the number and then we have to put in the gram form. So it is gram and we are dividing by 3 and we have to put in gram. So very easy, we have to straight away divide 2109 by 3. So 3 will be divisor, 2109. Quotient will be the answer here in this case. So 2 is less than 3, so we have to take 2 digits. 2 7s are 21. Subtract, you will get 0. Bring this 0 here. 0 is less than 3, so we will be putting 0 here. Bring this 3. 3 3s are 9. So subtract 0 is the answer. So what is the equivalent? So when we divide 2109 by 3, we are going to get 703 grams. I hope it is clear. Now the second part is, we have to divide 100 kilogram and 50 grams by 20 and we have to express into the kilogram form. So we know that in a kilogram there are 1000 grams. 1000 grams makes 1 kg. So 50 grams will be represented by 1 upon 1000 into 50. So there are 3 zeros after 1. So there will be 3 digits after decimal point. So 0.0. So 1 to 1 more. This 0 and this 0 can be cut, so we can write this way. So this is answer. So we will be dividing by 20. So what we have to do? 20 and the vessel will become 100.05. So 2, this is less, we will take all three. So 25 is a 100, so 100 and 0, so we have to put this 0, but before that we have decimal point, so decimal point will come here, we will bring it 0, so 0, we have to bring one more digit, 5, so we will put 0 here, and now we can put, we want one more 0 to be given, so we have to put 0 here as it is not divisible, and 22 is a, so the moment you are putting 10, we have to put 10 here, so 22 is a 40, subtract it, it is 1, we can put 10 easily, but if we have to put second 0, then we will be putting 10 here, 25 is a 100, so subtract it, minus, so answer is what? It is in the kg, 5.0025 is answer. I hope it is clear. Now the next question is, solve the following word problems. The length of a rope is 3 meters and 12 centimeters. Find the length of 15 such ropes joined end to end. So the length of one rope is this much, 3 meters and this much, and we have to find out the length of 15 ropes. It means we have to multiply. So let's convert this into meters only. So we know that there are 100 centimeters equals to 1 meter. So 12 centimeter will become what? 1 upon 100 into 12. So when we divide 12 by 100, it will be 0.12 meters. So the length of rope will become 3.12, and there are how many ropes? 15. Multiply 3.12 by 15. 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6, 5 3s are 15. 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3. Add them, 0, 8, 6, 4. There are two digits after decimal point, so decimal point will come here. So the length of 15 such ropes is 46.80 meters. I hope it is clear. So the second question is, 12 pencil boxes weigh 2000 grams. How much does each pencil box weigh? So what is the weight of one pencil box? So we know that we can write it as it is a word. These are word problems, so we have to write some sentences. So let me write. So what would be the sentence? Weight of 12 pencil boxes equals to 2000 grams. So what we have to find out? We have to divide by 12 pencil. We know that there are, what does each pencil box weight? So how many pencil boxes are there? So 12. So we have to divide 2000 by 12. 12 ones are 12. Subtract. 10 minus 2 will be 8. So put this 0. 12. 6 are 72. Subtract. So 8. Put this 0. Again 12 6 are 72. 8. Put decimal point 0, and then again 6. It will keep going on. So we can say that, so what we have done, weight of one pencil box, one pencil box equals to 2000 divided by 12 grams, and that equals to, or you should write gram here, not here, and that is coming as 166.66 grams. I hope it is clear. Now the next question is, the bucket can be filled by putting 18 full mugs of water in it. If each mug can measure 675 milliliters, find the capacity of bucket in liters. So first we have to multiply, and then we can convert into liters. So how to go with, as it is word problem. So we'll be writing each mug capacity is each mug measures, how much it is measuring? It is measuring 675 ml. So 18 mugs will be what? 675 into 18. So let's multiply 675 into 18 here. 8 5s are 44, 8 7s are 56, plus 4 will be 66, 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 6 will be 54. Put cross here, and as we have to multiply, so we can write straight away 5, 7 and 6, add them. 0, 5, 7 plus 4 will be 11, carry 1, 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 1 is 12. So it is 12150, but it is measuring in the milliliters. Okay, and we know that how many milliliters are in 1 liter? There are 1000. So divide this, so it is in milliliters, or you can say divide by 1000. It will become 12.150 liters, because we have to divide by 1000 to convert into liters. Karthik is, next part, D part, Karthik is allowed to carry 23 kg weight on the airplane. If his suitcase alone weighs 2.480 kilogram and his clothes are this much, what weight of shoes can he carry? So altogether 23 kgs, but already the suitcase and the clothes are having some weight. So what is left over to take that? So what we will do? Suitcase weight. Let's start with the word problem as it is. So we will be writing suitcase weigh. What is the weight of suitcase? Equals to 2.480 gram. Clothes weight equals to 16.200 gram. So it will be, total weight will be what? Total weight of suitcase and clothes. Addition of these two. So 0, 8, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8 and 1. This is the total weight of, you can say, clothes plus suitcase. Now the cost of, you can say, the weight of total weight can be carried by, total weight carried is what? Allowed is 23 kg. This is in kg only, not in gram. It is kg only. So what is left over? Or you can say the weight of shoes. Shoes weight will be what? 23.000 minus 18.680. So subtract 23.000 and 18.680. 0 minus 0, 0. It has to be taken carry. So 10 minus 8 will be 2. It is now, it was 10, so 9. So 9 minus 3 will be 6. It is 2 here. 2 is smaller, so it becomes 12. 12 minus 8 will be 4. So the weight is what? He can carry weight of 4 kg 320 grams weight. So this weight can be of shoes. Let's move to the next question. Vijender eats a heavy breakfast after his boxing practice. He takes 4 eggs, 100 grams each, 2 stuffed parathas, 350 grams each, a bowl of 0.75 kg curd, and this much fruits. How many kilo of food does he consume? So we have to add up all the foods.